This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the Magsafe puck and power source. Make sure the charger is USB-C PD capable and the cable is intact. Remove bulky cases or swap to a Magsafe compatible case so magnets can couple. Once you place the phone on a flat surface, feel for the magnetic snap at the center back. That's how you know alignment is correct. This initial alignment ensures the charging coil lines up and prevents slow charging or heat buildup as you continue. You now plug the Magsafe charger into a PD adapter, ideally 20 to 30 watts for efficient charging. Lower power sources will work but slower. Make sure the iPhone shows the charging animation and a rising battery percentage. If you don't see it, lift and reseat the device to re-establish the magnetic coupling. While charging, monitor temperature. Magsafe can run warmer than wired charging. If the phone feels hot, make sure vents are clear and remove the case to improve cooling. You finish charging by removing the phone once you reach your desired level. Avoid leaving at 100% all the time to preserve battery health. After use, store the Magsafe puck flat and unplug the adapter to reduce wear. If charging stops or is inconsistent, here's a quick troubleshooting tip. Make sure the puck is centered on the iPhone, inspect the USB-C cable and adapter for damage, and try a different PD adapter. Misalignment or a weak adapter are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.